my gosh, they got Surgeon Sparks, everything. They got, what? They got a booster box? Stellar Crown for $161. Dude, this is insane. I'm gonna buy something because I've never bought from here before. Let's go. Oh, it works. No freaking way. $26.98 for Surging Sparks. Bro, that's crazy. Let's see what else they got. Oh, they got. Oh, snap. Nice. Dude, I've never seen this before. This is crazy.
I know.
Alright, well, let's see if it works. I got a couple packs, so I got a Scarlet and Violet. What the? How does an ETB come out of here, bro? Damn. Anyways, let's get out of here and buy it. Holy moly. Let's see here. Holy. Alright, let's see here. Put in my payment. Check out. Oh man, let me see. What is that? Email address? Damn. Okay. Oops. Yeah, all right. Holy moly. Please pay with mobile. Okay, let's go, bro. Come on. I've never ordered from this before. I'm going to. Do not remove card. Come on, let's go. Please remove card. Alright, let's go. Let's go, Pokemon. Oh, shoot. Oh, damn. Let's go. Please wait. This is exciting. I feel like a little kid. Yay, Pikachu. No way. I got Surgeon Sparks. No way. Alright. Please push the door. Oh, damn, bro. They have it in there. Let me see. Yeah, Surgeon Sparks. And oh, not Surgeon Sparks. Oh. Okay. Oh, you have to do one by one? Oh, okay, I see. That's crazy. So they can do those in? Holy moly, it's freaking just a regular pack. I thought it was gonna be like a hanger or something. Oh. Okay. I see you. I see you. Alright. What's this? What's this sticker? Yeah, so it's just single packs, not hangers. So that's what I got. Holy moly.